Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add this clean, crisp, and customizable chat box for your Twitch stream. So let's go ahead and start the video. Hey guys, real quick before we begin, I am GSphere. I'm a content creator on both Twitch and YouTube dedicated to bringing you the best possible stream tips, tricks, and tutorials to help your Twitch stream stand out from all of the rest and help you achieve your goals. So what we're going to do to get started, we're going to come to streamelements.com and sync our Twitch with Streamelements. So once you do so, it's going to show you my dashboard. Now, trust me, this is completely free and completely safe. So come to my dashboard, and then we're going to come over to Discord and join the Streamelements Discord. Now, a link to the Streamelements Discord will be in the description below, so don't fret. Now, once we're getting to the Discord, we come to the widget share. Now, this widget share page has a ton of widgets that you can actually add to your stream. So we're going to come over to the boxed chat by Coca. Also, shout out to Coca for making this incredible boxed layout chat. So it's going to say unbox your messages, a boxed layout for your chat, which can be a perfect match to your stream design. We're going to hit this link. Also, I'm going to put the link in the description just in case people don't have Discord. I know it's 2021. Some people still don't have Discord, but it's okay. So once you do so, it's going to add an overlay to your stream elements, and you're going to be able to come over to my overlays to find it. So I'm going to come over to the box chat by Coca and then hit edit. We're going to click on the box chat by Coca on the left side, go to settings. Now the typography, you can change the font, you can change the font size, you can change the weight of it, which is like if you want it to be bold or really thin, you can change all that. You can also change the font color, the message background, you can change the text shadow, the emote size, you can change how it aligns. I like mine on the bottom. You can even change the nickname color. So mine is actually pink. So whenever I type a message in, it will actually show my name as being pink, which is kind of a little cool addition. So you can have the nickname color if you don't want it to be any, like if you hit other, you're going to be able to change everybody's nickname color. So once you do that, we're going to go over down here to settings, message limit. I have mine set to 5. You can set it to 5, 10, 20, whatever you want it to be. Now hide after amount of seconds, 999 to disable. So I have mine 999 so that they stay on the screen. A good choice would also be like 30 seconds to a minute, give or take. Hide message with exclamation commands. So like exclamation fart or whatever you have as a command. You can also show badges or not. This is kind of a cool little thing. We're just going to click yes on ours. Now the ignored user, stream elements, and then other bots. So after we do that, we're going to have the outline color. Now you can also change the animation for when it comes in or comes out. So I'm going to have mine fading in and then fading out. So once we do that, this other right here, once you click that, you're going to be able to test your message. So let's do that and see how it kind of fades in. Oh, that's really kind of neat. So it fades in, and then once, if you have it to where it'll, it'll go away, it'll fade out. So once you're done like customizing all of this, you can hit save and copy the overlay URL. It should show it on the bottom right of the screen, copy to the clipboard. And then we're going to come over here to OBS and then add that as a browser source. So just plus browser. Also, this will work with Twitch Studio, by the way. This will work with Streamelements. The OBS Live, it will work with OBS Streamlabs. So add the browser source, name it whatever you want, honestly, and then you just use this URL part as that URL. So you can just Control V and it will start showing your chat. So I already have it set up, so I'm just going to have to activate it. And then I'm going to come back over here to my web page and just hit test message. So what that'll do, it'll bring a message onto the screen. And as you see, howdy, my name is Bill and I'm here to serve. So this is like a really easy way to add a very cool and clean and crisp looking chat overlay for your Twitch stream. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If this video did help you, please let me know in the comments so I can continue to help you guys. So if you're not subscribed, please feel free to hit that subscribe button, the notification ding ding, so you don't miss any other videos like this. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.